Dean, the mortgage guy here. It's April 1st, April Fool's Day. Pretty ironic. Coming off the most bizarre month of my career, most bizarre month of my life. Here's the market rundown. First week of March, interest rates plummeted. Refinances busted the bank. They could barely keep up. And this put huge pressure on lenders. That pressure, along with the coronavirus default fears, then sent rates skyrocketing into the 4s and the 5s. Third week of the month, Federal Reserve steps in and in an unprecedented move promises an unlimited amount of purchases of mortgage-backed securities. The unprecedented part is the unlimited. They did this in 2008, and this now has sent rates for us back into the mid-3s, so we're in great shape. Next, Fannie and Freddie step in, and they announced that homeowners can request a 12-month pause on their mortgage payments. That's great news, but here's the caveat. I had a client call their lender this week, and their lender said, sure, you can pause for 6 months, but then after the 6 months, you have to make a lump sum payment of those 6 months. Well, great. Who the heck can do that? So this is similar to the loan modification issues we had after 2008. So there is no uniformity. Lenders are out there doing different things. So I'm hoping that things will settle down and maybe they'll be able to add that to the mortgage or the back end of the mortgage, or maybe they can spread that out over a certain amount of time. So beware, but call your lender if you're unemployed and you need some help. There is so much stress in the market right now that there may be a cleaning out of the industry similar to 2008. I got a call last week from a realtor whose buyer's lender has a pause now on all funding for 30 days. That's a bad sign. If you're in a pause, you are having some problems. I also got a call from a buyer whose FHA lender just raised their minimum credit score from 580 all the way up to 640. And they're not using the rental income from the 3-family to help them get approved. No more rental income. So be careful. As a realtor, you need to be extremely vigilant now on who your buyer is using as a lender. Guidelines are changing on a dime, and mortgage companies are not going to survive. Some of them are not going to survive. Again, similar to 2008, there is going to be a cleaning out of the industry. The strong are going to get stronger. Thankfully, my team and I are on the right side. We're available 7 days a week. We are growing, and we're in great shape from the pre-approval all the way to the closing, where we're completely set up digital. All our underwriters and all our processors are set up working remotely, and we are closing loans. You can find me, Dean the Mortgage Guy. And finally, what a sight this week, watching the U.S. Navy ship Comfort sail into the port with all of her support vehicles. Wow, that was moving. Last time I saw that was post 9/11. Be safe and stay home.